How to buy Predo token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. This token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. And this token, it's locked by 100% unlocked. The liquidity unlocked by 100%. That means your investment in the safe place. This token is increased by 3000% in the last 24 hours. And as you can see, this token is came under the Solana network, and the best choice to buy this kind of tokens that came under Solana network, it's by using the Phantom wallet. Now copy the token address from here and open your Phantom wallet. After that, click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address as you can see. And this is our token, just click on it. And now here type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. This is how much you will receive. Select the provider from here, for example OKX. Make sure to read all of that information. After that, click on swap and you will be redirected to OKX provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issues, just go back to this page, switch the slip hash from here and or custom it, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the Predo token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.